So the next thing we're going to do is show you how to do a deposit. So again, we're in accounting, we're in checking, and then we're going to create a new entry. Again, just like we did earlier, we're going to select the account that we want to work with, and then we're going to tell it to do a deposit instead of a check. Now, again, if we may have an electronic deposit coming in from somebody, and we can do that through this EFT inbound, or if it's a deposit going or a withdrawal going out via EFT, we would use that. So all of these things are very similar, but this time we're going to do a deposit. We're going to type in where the money's coming from, and keep in mind that the daily deposits that you do from your cash drawers, you won't be doing them this way. That's actually dealt with in the cash drawer module. So this is where you actually get a check or something in from some outside source that you don't have previously recorded in the system. So we're just going to put in here, we'll say deposit, or we'll say payment. And then you can put in your detail here, whatever it is you want to put in the memo, the date, the amount. So let's say that they gave us $250, so we're putting in the $250 deposit. We can put information there, and again down here we're just going to pick the account number that represents where that money originated from. So maybe it was, sales, or some other thing. I'm just going to pick sales parts here. It doesn't really matter. And then you can put the description there if you want. I'm just going to tell it to add it. Again, we're just going to tell it to use defaults and save. You're not going to see that pop-up come up unless you have departmental accounting turned on, so you don't really need to worry about that particular part. If you do have departmental accounting on, you can see over here on the right below the add button, there's a little view button that will actually open that control back up so that you can make changes if you made a mistake. So at this point, we've got our account that we're representing this money, and then we have the deposit itself. So we're just going to hit the save button. And now when we come back over here to view register and we choose the bank one, you can see that we now have a deposit in the account and then our running balance as we go.